I discovered the easiest and perfect way to make homemade avocado oil, and trust me, the outcome was amazing as well. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. In today's video, as I said, I'm making homemade avocado oil. This is hot press avocado oil. Trust me, you're going to love it. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy the recipe. So avocado is in season again. It's been a year I uploaded my cold press avocado oil, and trust me, you guys loved it. So I thought of it that why don't I share with you the hot press method as well. As you guys know, I'm not stealing this avocado. This avocado is straight from my backyard, and it's very organic as well. So if you want to make the best and healthiest avocado oil, kindly use organic ones, okay? And that is what is going to give you the best results. Alright, so now I have my avocados in a bowl. I'm going to cover this. This is unripe avocado. I'm going to leave it in a cool dry place for approximately 3 days, and after 3 days, this is what we have. It's looking all soft and perfect for the recipe. Now we're going to start by washing avocados very well. Yes, we really want to make sure there is no dirt on this avocado before we use it for our avocado oil. Alright, so now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, now we are done washing our avocados. So all that is left is for me to divide the avocado into 2 equal parts, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And once that is done, I'll remove the seed, and also I will start by taking out the avocado itself from the skin, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So I'm going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. So in all, I used about 7 avocados. Kindly feel free to use any amount of avocado of your choice, okay? Alright, so now whilst we're removing the fruits from the skin, let me also use this opportunity to remind you that subscribing is free. So what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after removing the avocados, I will use my potato masher or any masher that can help you mash this avocados. Kindly use it. You can either use your spoon or your fork to do this, and you are good to go. The main motive right here is that we really want the avocado to really comes out very smooth, right? Alright, so now as you can see, the avocado is looking very smooth right now. All that is left is for me to transfer this into my cooking pot or pan. As I said, this is hot press avocado oil, so we're going to be heating it up on low heat. I repeat, on low heat, until we start to see a little bit of oil in this. Trust me, with this recipe, the guarantee that you're going to have a lot of oil is just 10, or let me say 5%. The oil will come, but it will be very little. So if you don't have that patience to wait for the avocado oil to come, but yes, you're going to have some nutrients by adding in extra oil to the avocado. You are good to go, because that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be adding in some organic oils to it. Before we add in the oil, let's fry or cook the avocado on low heat until we start to see oil coming before we go in with our organic oil. Okay, remember as well to check this from time to time, because we really want our recipe to really come out very perfect. Alright, so I've been frying the avocado for about 40 minutes now, and as you can see from the bottom of the pan, I have just a little bit of oil coming up, and that means I'm doing a very good job. But trust me, you can even fry this for 3 hours and still not get about 2 tablespoons of oil. Trust me on this one. So to help bring out the nutrients and the oil very well, you need to go in with some organic oil. And as I said, I'm going to be using classic Borges olive oil. Kindly feel free to using any olive oil of your choice. Alright, and after adding everything, I also go in with some coconut oil as well. Mind you, all this oil are very organic, so you need to really use organic oil for this recipe to get the best results. You can as well use almond oil if that is what you have, and it's best for the recipe as well. Now, after adding in all the oil, let's also stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so since we don't want to lose the nutrients of this organic oils, we're going to fry on a very low heat for about 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and it should be ready. Yes, on a very low heat, and that's very important to me. Alright, so now let's fry until everything is nice and ready. And also, when the oil settles on top like this, that indicates that we are on the right path and our oil is also ready. At this point, the nutrients from the avocado has really entered into the organic oils as well, and that's what we're looking for. Alright, so now we're going to leave it to fry for additional 2 minutes, and it should be ready. Yes, our hot press avocado oil is ready in no time. I'm going to allow this to cool down very well before I go ahead to strain it. Okay, alright, so now while that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And also do give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so when I was training the avocado with this strainer, it wasn't doing the job for me at all. I was still having some of the avocado in the oil, which I just didn't love it. So I fast forward went ahead to transfer it into a chiffon cloth or any knit cloth that you have to strain the oil for me perfectly, and trust me, it did the job very well. Alright, so as you can see, the oil also changed in color as well to something like a brown color, and that means we really achieved the perfect results that we're looking for. All you have to do is to trust the process and you are good to go. Avocado oil can be used for anything, for cooking, for your skincare routine, for your facials, in fact, for your hair routine, and you are good to go. It serves as so many purposes, and I hope you're going to find this video helpful as well. I'm going to add honey to this chaff and I'm going to rub it all over my skin for about 30 minutes before I bath. It's very good for skin treatment. Okay, trust the process and you're going to love it. I gave it a very large strain and I'm going to save this in my bottles or any container that you have. Kindly use it. Okay, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this hot press avocado oil. Are you going to give it a try? I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.